One of the scariest parts about a panic attack is that feeling that you can't breathe. And in today's video, I'm going to give you the quickest hack, and it's only going to cost you a couple dollars. I want you all to locate a menthol cough drop. It can be any brand, it can be any type. Find a menthol cough drop, and the minute that you start experiencing that panic, you start to all know the signs. You start feeling like you're going to hyperventilate. You feel a little overwhelmed. I want you to instantly open up the cough drop, pop it into your mouth, and you'll notice how a lot of the feelings that you're going through, the rushed heart, the I can't breathe feeling, starts to subside. And I'm going to explain to you why that is. Many cough drops contain menthol, which triggers the body's cold receptors. Intense cold sensations are known to stimulate the vagus nerve, which is the on and off switch for your parasympathetic nervous system. When the vagus nerve is stimulated, it sends a signal to your heart and lungs to slow down, effectively counteracting the fight or flight response. It's a milder version of the mammalian dive reflex, which is splashing cold water on your face. Grounding requires engaging the five senses. Sucking on a cough drop checks several boxes at once. Its strong menthol and sugar is the taste. The feel of the cough drop against the tongue roof of the mouth, touch. The vapors hitting the nasal cavity is smell. The physical act of sucking or moving the cough drop around provides a rhythmic grounding task. Menthol doesn't actually clear your airways, but it sensitizes the nerves in your nose and throat to feel the air moving more clearly. This feeling of a deep, cool breath can reassure a panicking brain that you're getting enough oxygen, which helps regulate your breathing rhythm. Remember, just summarizing a few key points. We want to overwhelm the senses. We want to break that panic loop. That's the goal. Once you overwhelm the senses, you start to break the panic loop. The focus was going to be more on those senses rather than on this perceived false panic. And when you're doing so, you're also going to activate the vagus nerve, which is going to be done via cold receptors from the menthol in the cough drop. So we do these little hacks to get ourselves regulated. Then from there on, the breathing should start to get back into action, get back into normal rhythm, and you'll start to feel a lot more normal. And I will tell you, the time of this varies, but I have seen this work as quick as 2 minutes. I have been in a state of panic, overwhelmed, feeling a little lost in what I'm doing, disoriented, and I would pop one of those menthol cough drops. My preferred one is the Hall's lemon flavored menthol cough drops. I'll pop one of those in and I'll start to just continue on as I'm doing things, and I'll realize right away within about 2 minutes or so, I start to feel more on the normal side. And I know that this can be a breathtaking experience for a lot of you. This can be a breakthrough that a lot of you are looking for, something you can just carry around in your bag. It's not expensive. You're going to be in places where you might not have access to a facility for any advice or help. And I have had this happen on hikes before and trails. Pop a cough drop, I start feeling more normal again, start focusing on my breathing better, because you know, a lot of you that do physical activity or hiking, you know that sometimes the air quality isn't always there. So this actually helps regulate my breathing and has made me feel so much better. And I wanted to share this hack with all of you. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I will catch you in the next video.